Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best car phone holders. Whether you're looking for a sturdy mount for long road trips or a sleek, everyday option, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be reviewing some of the top car phone holders on the market to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for all the details and best deals. Let's dive in. Vanmas Car Phone Holder. Introducing the Vanmas 2024 military-grade phone holder, your ultimate car companion for secure and convenient phone mounting. Built with precision and durability, this phone holder boasts 65+ pounds of suction power, ensuring that your phone stays firmly in place, no matter how bumpy the ride. Whether mounted on the dashboard, window, or air vent, the versatility of this holder makes it perfect for any vehicle, from sedans to trucks. Engineered for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy series, and all Android phones, it features a robust clip and the strongest suction cup available, offering unmatched grip. Whether you're navigating, streaming, or taking calls hands-free, this mount guarantees your phone remains safe and accessible. Designed for ease of use and military-grade reliability, it's crafted for drivers who demand top performance. Elevate your driving experience with the Vanmas 2024 phone holder, secure, powerful, and built to last. Perfect for daily commutes, road trips, or truck drivers looking for peace of mind. MyraCase Phone Holders. Meet the MyraCase phone holder, your go-to solution for hands-free convenience while driving. This innovative phone holder features the newest metal hook clip, providing a rock-solid grip to your car's air vent, ensuring that your phone stays securely in place no matter where the road takes you. Designed to fit iPhones, Androids, and all smartphones, the universal cradle adjusts effortlessly to your device, offering a snug and reliable hold. The sleek, compact design complements any car interior while making it easy to access your phone for navigation, calls, or music streaming. With its strong metal hook clip and 360 degrees rotation, this holder allows you to position your phone at the perfect viewing angle, ensuring a safe and distraction-free driving experience. Whether you're on your daily commute or a long road trip, the MyraCase phone holder is built for durability, convenience, and style. Take control of your drive with the MyraCase phone holder, the ultimate blend of functionality and design for drivers who demand the best. Strongest suction phone mount. Introducing the Vanmas 2024 military-grade car phone mount, the ultimate solution for securely mounting your phone while on the road. Engineered with 65+ pounds of the strongest suction power, this phone holder guarantees a rock-solid grip on your dashboard, windshield, or air vent, making it perfect for any vehicle, from sedans to trucks. Built with precision and backed by patented design and safety certifications, the Vanmas phone holder is designed to accommodate the latest devices, including the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy series, and all other smartphones. Its military-grade construction ensures top-tier durability, even under the harshest conditions, giving you peace of mind for every drive. Whether you're navigating through busy streets, streaming music, or using hands-free calling, this mount keeps your phone stable and accessible. With easy installation and 360 degrees rotation for optimal viewing, the Vanmas 2024 car phone mount combines power, versatility, and safety. Experience the difference with a mount that's built to last, no slips, no worries, just total control. MyraCase 3-in-1 Cell Phone Holder. Introducing the MyraCase 3-in-1 Cell Phone Holder for car, the ultimate all-in-one solution for your driving convenience. This versatile mount is designed to securely attach to your dashboard, windshield, or air vent, offering the flexibility you need to keep your phone within reach, no matter the vehicle or setup. Compatible with the iPhone 15 series, Galaxy smartphones, and all major devices, this universal phone holder adjusts effortlessly to hold your phone in place with a strong, reliable grip. Whether you're navigating, making hands-free calls, or controlling your music, the MyraCase 3-in-1 provides a safe and accessible way to interact with your phone while driving. With easy installation and a 360 degrees rotatable design, you can adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle for the safest, most comfortable driving experience. The MyraCase 3-in-1 Cell Phone Holder is built to last, offering a secure, durable hold on all surfaces. Upgrade your ride with the convenience and versatility of MyraCase, designed for drivers who need flexibility and reliability on every journey. True Military Grade Phone Holder. Introducing the VanMaas True Military Grade Car Phone Holder, the toughest and most reliable phone mount for 2024. Designed with industry-leading suction power and clip strength, this phone holder provides a 65+ pounds grip, keeping your phone secure on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, no matter the terrain. Whether you're driving a sedan or a truck, this mount is built for stability and peace of mind. Perfectly compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 14, 13, and 12, as well as Android devices, the VanMaas holder ensures a snug fit for all smartphones. The military-grade construction promises ultimate durability, withstanding extreme temperatures and rough road conditions while keeping your device safe and steady. Featuring 360 degrees rotation, this phone mount allows for effortless adjustments, ensuring an optimal viewing angle for navigation, calls, and media. Backed by patented technology and safety certifications, the VanMaas car phone holder is the best choice for drivers seeking maximum performance, style, and reliability. Make your driving experience safer and more convenient with VanMaas, built to endure any journey. Thanks for watching our review of the best car phone holders. We hope this helped you choose the right one for your car. Don't forget, all the product links with the latest prices and offers are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Safe driving!